Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have something to show you all, and ta-da! So this is from brand Amrutam, and you might have heard of this brand a lot. It is the Ayurvedic brand and I received two products from this brand. Yes, the brand was kind enough to send me these gorgeous products and I haven't tried them yet. This is going to be my first impression in front of you all. So yeah, I am going to take you through the application and everything of that sort. But without wasting any more time, let's first jump into the video. So obviously let's first talk about the packaging, because I really love this bag, like very environment friendly, and I use such kind of bag for a lot of purpose, like keeping my makeup and everything of that sort. So once I open this bag, I get these two products. Yeah, and the bag is really good. Yeah, the quality is really good. So can you see I haven't opened the packaging yet, but I really loved this packaging. Like, look at the aesthetics of this packaging, and here is the brand imprinted Amrutam. So this is their Kuntal Care Hair Spa. I haven't seen such kind of hair spa bottle, like, and this is black in color, like mehendi green in color, and nice. Okay, and the second product is this one, which is their Amrutam charcoal face mask. Now this is a glass jar, very sturdy, and this is the plastic one, so I better be careful with this because I dropped this one like just a minute before. So yeah, and now before diving onto the products and talking in details about them, let me talk to you about the brand first. Now Amrutam is an Ayurvedic brand which believes in health is beauty. Now this brand follows a lifestyle defined by Ayurvedic principles by offering recipes and resources that are derived from Sanskrit. Now their products are herbal, cruelty free, no child labor is involved in the making process, and it is recyclable also. And this brand is into lifestyle, hair care, skin care, health care and many more. So I would highly recommend you all to check their website because there are a lot of stuff. So please check my description box before you leave. Now the first product that I have with me is this Amrutam charcoal face mask, and this is how it looks like. So as I've already told you, this is a glass jar. The packaging is quite sturdy, and this mask deep cleanses skin impurities and give youthful glow. And the ingredient list is over here, which is quite transparent. They have mentioned the quantity of each and every ingredient that is added to this product, which is cool. Now it has aloe vera, charcoal, lemongrass, tulsi, sweet neem, white sandalwood, almond, urad extract, multani mitti, kheera juice, rose water, orange peel. Like, everything is written over here, and the quantity it offers is 150 gram. Also there are some directions written over here which I will show you in the application itself. Now charcoal effectively cleanses the skin, unclogs pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. The result is smooth, supple and even toned skin. Herbs like manishta mixed with multani mitti and charcoal clears dirt, toxins, heavy metals, chemicals. Guava, chironji and marit removes tan, burn marks and detoxifies. This mask is suitable for all skin types. The long-term usage will surely help in reducing pigmentation in marks. Alright, now moving on to the next product. It is their Kuntal Care Hair Spa, and this is how the packaging looks like. Now, as I've already told you, this is the first time that I'm seeing such kind of packaging for hair spa. The color is like mehendi green sort of color, and it is a plastic bottle, and again it is 100% Ayurvedic. Again there is a clear list of ingredients with quantity of each and every ingredient written over here. So its key ingredients are bhringraj, amla, neel, brahmi, mehendi, nimbu chilka, sitafal, long oil, olive oil, eucalyptus and many more which I am not able to pronounce. Now there are some general instructions written over here. The tingling or itching sensation is normal. It is herbs in the oil releasing excess heat and toxins, and the direction is written over here which I am going to show you in application as well. Now Kuntal Care Hair Spa works wonders for dry frizzy hair, which I have, helpful in hair regrowth, revitalizes your scalp and helps in strengthening of hair roots. It is useful in stopping hair loss, helps hair regrowth and keep your hair healthy and blonde. Also, it is an affordable hair spa treatment that you can do at home by yourself. It is safer as compared to the chemical hair spa treatment which are available at salon and in the market. It is 100% Ayurvedic and natural. Alright guys, so that's it with this video. This is what the application of these products looks like, and I will keep you updated as I will use it. Like, I've just used it one time. I'm gonna use it like every week, so I will keep you updated on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me yet, please do. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. If you have any other recommendation or query, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.